So guys, I am going to be showing you guys how I make good use of this new Oster hope I'm pronouncing it right, Oster blender, Oster Blend Active Portable Blender. You can charge it on the go from what I can see here, and it includes a drinking lid. This is actually what it looks like. I went to Target and I saw it and I was prompted to buy it. So it actually comes with a cup this way, so you could always have your fruits in there. So guys, let's just get straight into it. I haven't opened it. I don't know what it looks like. I don't even know if it's complete, but I just said let me quickly do an unboxing of this, show you guys what I just got for myself. I make a lot of smoothies. I do take a lot of smoothies, so I decided I want to just come show you guys this new one. I haven't seen this before. I've seen other types, but I was like, oh my god, I was blown away. I was like, okay, let me do an unboxing for you guys to see. So guys, let's open this and see what it looks like. I haven't opened it. So it comes with a protective lid, as you guys can see. This to the side, and I think this is the charger right here. This is the cup. It looks beautiful, guys. This is the charging port and the power button. This is what the blade looks like on the inside. That's the cup. I'm gonna charge this, so once it's done blinking, it means it's fully charged. Here are my fruits: kiwi, pineapple, strawberry, and some berries. I have my yogurt, milk, honey, and my granola. The very big disadvantage with this blender, you can't blend in large quantities all at once. You have to blend about 5 times. So the whole fruit you see, I had to blend it like 5 times, yes, because I had other things I had to add inside. That's my major disadvantage with it. And then you have to charge and charge and charge before each blend. But it's not a bad idea. Maybe that's why it's called a portable blender. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you guys in my next video.